Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add more friends to Snapchat shortcut. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Snapchat. Once you open Snapchat, you simply need to take a picture and then you need to click on next. And here you can see different shortcuts. So I'm going to click on my shortcuts. So here you can see my all shortcuts. So I want to add person into this shortcut. Click on that, and here you can see an option. You can select as many as you like. So I'm going to add 6. Click on save. So now you can see that 9 more. So you can see that basically these persons are now added into my shortcut list. So this is a process by which you can add more friends on to shortcut in Snapchat. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.